My name is Eleanor. I am 28 years old. I live in London, UK. I work as an editor at a publishing company. I help writers make their books better. That Wednesday night, I worked late. When I finished, it was midnight. The trains were not running, so I used an app to call a taxi. A driver accepted. His name was David. A black car arrived. I got into the back seat. "Eleanor," the driver asked. "Yes," I said. He started driving. I was very tired. I closed my eyes. But after 10 minutes, something felt wrong. I looked outside. This was not the right way. "Excuse me?" I said. "This is the wrong direction." "I know a faster way," he said calmly. I checked my phone. We were going the wrong way. "Please follow the GPS," I said. He did not answer. I looked at him in the mirror, and then I recognized him. "Uncle David?" I whispered. He looked at me and smiled, a cold, angry smile. "Hello, Eleanor," he said. I could not believe it. Uncle David, my father's younger brother. I had not seen him in 5 years. 5 years ago, my grandmother died. She left her house and money to my father and me. She left nothing to Uncle David. Uncle David was very angry. But the truth was simple. He had stolen money from her many times. He lied to her. When she found out, she changed her will. At the family meeting, Uncle David shouted at us. "That money should be mine," he screamed. "You stole from her," my father said. "She gave you chances. You wasted them." Uncle David pointed at me. "This is your fault," he said. "You turned her against me." "I did nothing," I said. He stared at me with hate in his eyes. Then he left. We never saw him again. Until tonight. "What are you doing?" I asked, my voice shaking. "We need to talk," he said. "Let me out," I said. "No." I tried the door. It was locked. "You cannot get out," he said. "Uncle David, please stop," I said. 5 years, he said angrily. 5 years I drive this taxi. I live in a small flat while you live in my mother's house spending my money. "It was not your money," I said. "She chose wrong," he shouted, "and you helped her." He drove for 15 minutes. We were now in a dark area, old buildings, no people. He stopped near an old warehouse. He got out and opened my door. "Get out," he said. I did not move. He grabbed my arm and pulled me out. "Let go," I shouted. But no one was there to hear me. He pushed me inside the warehouse. It was dark and cold. He turned on his phone torch. "Sit," he said, pointing to a chair. I sat down. I was shaking. "Do you know what my life has been like?" he asked. "Uncle David, listen," I said. "What happened was not my fault. Grandmother made her own choice." "Liar," he shouted. He picked up a metal pipe from the floor. My heart stopped. "I lost everything because of you," he said. "Hitting me will not change anything," I said. "I don't care," he said. "I have nothing left." He raised the pipe. "Wait," I shouted. "The house, you can have it." He stopped. "What?" "Grandmother's house," I said quickly. "You want it? You can have it." He lowered the pipe a little. "You are lying." "I am not," I said. "My father and I still own it. We can give it to you." "Why would you do that?" "Because I do not want to die," I said. and maybe you deserve another chance. He wanted to believe me, but he was too angry. If I let you go, you will call the police, he said. I will give you the house, I said. I promise. Your promises mean nothing, he shouted. He raised the pipe again. I kicked the torch from his hand. It fell and went out. Everything went dark. He shouted in anger. I ran. I could not see, but I found the door. He ran after me, shouting. I ran outside into the cold night. He chased me, but I was faster. I ran toward lights in the distance, toward the main road. He could not keep running. He stopped. This is not over, Eleanor, he shouted. But I kept running. I reached the main road. There were cars and lights. I was safe. I took a night bus home. I locked my door and cried. The next morning, I told my father. He was shocked and angry. We reported Uncle David to the police, but they could not find him. He disappeared. He left his job. He left his flat. No one knows where he is. I still think about that night. My own uncle wanted to hurt me, maybe kill me, all because of money, because of a house. I did nothing wrong, but he hated me. I learned something important. Family can betray you worse than strangers. Blood does not always mean love. Sometimes the most dangerous person is someone you trusted. That night, Uncle David knew everything. He planned it. He waited. He trapped me. But I escaped with my life.